This video will walk you through the installation process for NORTwood fluted composite panels. NORTwood fluted composite panels, available in multiple styles and colors, combines toughness and longevity with an engineered design, providing you a beautiful, sleek and clean natural wood look. This panel provides the ultimate stain and color fading resistance, making it long-lasting and extremely low maintenance. Our rain screen system, paired together with specified trim and flashing pieces, keeps your building safe and dry, no matter the weather conditions. Installing NORTwood fluted panels requires careful preparation and attention to detail. Here are instructions to guide you through the installation process. Materials and tools needed: NORTwood fluted panels, measuring tape, leveler, pencil, 1-inch screws no more than 4 mm in diameter, miter saw, screwdriver or drill with screwdriver bit, safety goggles, gloves, dust mask if you are cutting panels. Step 1. Panel layout. Determine the desired orientation and layout of the NORTwood panels. Decide whether you want them vertically or horizontally and mark the starting and ending points accordingly. Step 2. Mounting surface preparation. Ensure that the surface you are installing panels on is clean, smooth, and dry. Remove any existing nails or protrusions/bumps that may hinder the installation process. Step 3. Cutting if necessary. Measure and mark the NORTwood fluted panels according to your layout and dimensions. Use a miter saw or jigsaw with a fine-toothed blade to cut the panels to size. Wear safety goggles and a dust mask for protection while cutting. Step 4. Installing the panels. Start at the bottom of the installation area and work your way up. This helps ensure a level installation. For outdoor use, install bottom flashing first. Attach the clips to the wall or substrate at the marked locations. Make sure the clips are between 1 to 2 feet of distance from each other, and ensure they are level. If your panels will be installed around the corner, start first by placing the corner trim. If not, place the first panel at the starting point, aligning it with the clips against the wall. Secure the first panel in place using clips. Check the level of the first panel both vertically and horizontally. Place the next panel alongside the first one, making sure they fit tightly together. Repeat the process of securing the panels one by one until you complete the installation. If installing panels around doors or windows, make sure to use the proper trims and flashing pieces. Note, the trim being used around this door is for indoor use only, and flashing was not installed. Flashing must be installed around windows and doors if being used outdoors. Step 5. Finishing touches. Check the panels periodically to ensure they are level and straight. Trim any excess length or width of the final panels if necessary. Clean the installed panels using a mild detergent and water solution.